So let's talk about that. The CRE AIIMS 2024 timeline. Bell has finally rung. It's time to pack my bag. Shubha Vijaya to everyone. As you all know, I am Bengali, and this past few days were our favorite festival, Durga Puja. I was super busy enjoying it. So even though I kept saying I would make a new YouTube video, but honestly did not get the time. And this year's puja was special for me because it's probably my last one in my hometown. After this, you all know I will be moving to another state. So yes, I enjoyed it. Even though I could not make a video during puja, but I tried to reply to those who messaged me on Instagram, especially the ones I could respond to properly, not the random allotments, and especially in those topics which were not discussed in my previous video. Anyway, puja is over now, and though Deepavali means Kali Puja is still a few days away, so I thought why not make a video today. I was thinking about what topic to pick, and then I saw a comment asking me to share the CRE AIIMS 2024 timeline. So let's talk about that. CRE AIIMS 2024 started with the notification in January 2025. Then in February last week, 28th February most probably, we had the CBT exam. On March 15 to 16, the qualified candidates list was released. After that, the notice for choice filling came out in March, but it got postponed twice. Finally, in May first week, choice filling started. Then around May 28, the final seat allotment result was declared. If you have seen my YouTube shorts, you all know I covered all these updates. Now after seat allotment, means final allotment, everything actually depends on your allotted institute. For example, among the CRE AIIMS 2024 qualified candidates, many have already joined their institutes 2 months ago. But at the same time, there are others like me whose joining is still pending, even though our documents are perfectly fine. And those who had document issues have not received any further update either. This time, SIC's exam was conducted through CRE AIIMS for the very first time. That's one of the reasons for the delay is in processing. Hopefully, things will be smoother for you all because your process is already running faster since choice filling started much earlier this time. After state allotment, the document verification means DV and joining dates actually vary from state to state. For some states, after the final result in May last week, the DV was completed by July and joining happened by August. States like Bihar, Assam, West Bengal and Jharkhand completed everything quickly. Their DVs were done in the first week of July and during the Rozgar Mela on July 12th, they were even invited and got their joining letters. Okay, now I just wanted to share something personal about the reason behind the delay in my posting from my own experience and observation. See, in any central government job, the joining letter is never issued suddenly right after the DV and medical. Usually, before that, during the Rozgar Mela, the RO means regional office sends the list of selected candidates and joining letters are distributed there. Means Rozgar Mela. Sometimes candidates are asked to be physically present, but in few cases, if someone can't attend, they are also invited virtually to complete the process. Now, once you receive the joining letter on the date, they also mention a fixed date by which you must report and join. For example, in ESIC, I noticed that they did not provide any extension for joining. Those whose DV got completed in early July mostly received their joining letters at the Rozgar Mela held on 12th July. But in our case, the DV was held on 8th July for some post on 9th July. So it was not practically possible to send our name within such a short time for that same Rozgar Mela. So there are many verification steps before the list goes. That's why it was already informed that our joining letters will be given during the next Rozgar Mela whenever it's scheduled. After the DV in July, by the first week of September, we received the mail asking to submit our documents like medical attestation form, identity certificate and martial status, etc. within the 26th September. I prepared all the documents properly and personally went to Bhubaneswar to submit everything. On the day itself, they confirmed that the joining letter will be provided during the next Rozgar Mela. Honestly, I completely understand the frustration. I felt it too. But I kept telling myself, let's just enjoy the delay. Because truly, without the Rozgar Mela, even the authorities can't issue the joining letter. The officers there were very cooperative and supportive. They responded to every doubt politely. So yes, I spent my Durga Puja and waiting and trying to stay positive. And finally, on 7th October, I got the call for the Rujhar Mela. So now the bell has finally rung. It's time to pack my bags. And to all the CRE 2025 candidates, I believe your process will move much faster because everything seems to be going perfectly on timeline without any postpone. The choice filling ended on 6th October, so hopefully within the next 3 to 4 weeks, the seat allotment result will be out. All the best, everyone. Bye bye.